Money affirmations, powerful affirmations for money. Rule number 1. Do you desire to attract money into your life? What about peace, love, joy, and health? You are increasing your vibration with the help of inspirational daily affirmations and the feelings you are currently feeling. You may train yourself to be able to spot your negative thoughts as they emerge if you simply pay attention on a daily basis. But what about your firmly held misconceptions? You see, a belief is simply a normal sentence that you have repeated a certain number of times until you have begun to believe it, whether the belief is positive or negative. You must act in the positive way if you wish to alter a certain belief. The best and quickest approach to archive that is by employing affirmations, a brilliant law of attraction practice. We will show you how to get rid of your deeply established money-related beliefs. We'll go over how to employ money affirmations properly with you. If you have any doubts about the ability of money affirmations to change the financial aspects of your life, we encourage you to give them a try. But keep in mind that money affirmations will work for you if you follow all the instructions in this article while using your law of attraction money affirmations and if you follow all the rules we will reveal. When applying money affirmations, you must grasp the proper format for creating them and maintain consistency. Until you see your money manifest, we suggest you employ money affirmations every day. Till you are successful in changing your deeply held, negative beliefs regarding money. Take a moment to consider the following. Keep track of your thoughts and feelings as soon as you hear the word money. If you are unsure whether your strong opinions about money are causing unpleasant situations in your life. People that have financial independence and don't have any troubles with money are those who have positive attitudes, beliefs, and feelings about money. Utilize money affirmations to transform your relationship with money. You must first learn how to write money affirmations correctly. Rule 1. Write your money affirmation in the present tense to ensure that it has a positive impact on your thinking. How do we interpret that? You must write your money affirmations like you are already experiencing them. That means that I am ready to experience an abundance of money. Writing something like this is considerably more effective. I am ready to manifest financial abundance and financial freedom. I am in control of money, money doesn't control me. I have more than enough money to do everything I want in life. Here are no limits to the amount of money I can make. I don't let money run my life, I let money help run my life better. Money comes into my life in abundance, easily and frequently. I am healthy, I am wealthy. My actions create prosperity. Money flows easily to me. Earning money is a positive act. Earning money is selfless. It allows me to give more. I am open to earning more money. There is enough money in the world for everyone, including me. I release all inner resistance to earning more money. I am financially free. I am rich in my mind, body, and bank balance. We appreciate your time. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share.